About 20 years ago, I had the opportunity to be #1 Speaker of the House of Florida House of Representatives, and I was presented with a program called Healthy Families, and I will tell you, I was a little bit skeptical, but I thought if it worked, it would be an awesome thing. If we could somehow prevent child abuse, we could not only save ourselves a bunch of money, we could save ourselves a bunch of heartaches. And it was just an awesome opportunity. We jumped, Senate jumped, and the governor signed it, and it happened. And you know what? Now looking back, just these last 20 years, the results have been fantastic, and the success rate is in the over 90% success rate. It's mainly due, not to me, not the program, it's the people that have been behind it. People that have worked in Healthy Families, part of the team, that have gone out and done just a phenomenal job at training those who possibly could be abusers in the future, and yet they are able to stop much of that. And so in the end, it is a successful program. Took a little bit of leadership, and I got myself attached to an award called the Daniel Webster Leadership Award, based on the fact that I just supported the program. But who wouldn't? It's just such a great thing. There's a new champion, Jason Brodeur. Jason Brodeur took it on in 2017. Sometimes, especially in tough budget years, it's hard to sell things like Healthy Families, because people may not know. They might not know the success of the people that are part of it. So I just want to tell you that it is with distinct pleasure to give someone like Jason Brodeur, member of the House of Representatives, chairman of the House Subcommittee on Appropriations for Health, and also just a fantastic member of the Florida House of Representatives, this award, the Daniel Webster Award. And so, Jason, here you are. This is a fantastic award. It means more than just the glass it's printed on.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that. And thank you to all of you for this. Congressman Webster, Florida Families, Healthy Families, and the Ounce of Prevention Fund. I can't thank you enough for the honor and being associated with this. We know that, as the Congressman mentioned, in tough budget years, sometimes these are tough. But any program that helps strengthen families, the Congressman has left a wonderful legacy of making sure that we're not only creating but sustaining those relationships because the family is the backbone of Florida's future. Anytime we see a program that's got the kind of success that we're talking about, we can't help but fund it. When we see programs that help strengthen parenting skills, help empower families, create avenues for additional education, that will allow these families to go from being in crisis to actually being self-sustaining, productive families, it's hard not to fund that. And so this year I'm very proud that we were able to fully fund that. I want to thank Jennifer Olson, I want to thank Doug Sessions, and I want to thank all of you for what you do. As was mentioned, this program would not be successful without the people behind it, making sure that whenever we see folks that have mental health or substance abuse, we know so often that very frequently child abuse goes behind that. To give them the skills, the outlet, the tools, and the resources necessary to stop that makes Florida all the stronger. And so I look forward to supporting it in the future. I want to thank Congressman Webster very much for this award, as well as Healthy Families Florida, the Ounce of Prevention Fund, and to all of you, thank you very much for helping sustain what is the backbone of Florida's future.